ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ರಿಯಲ್ ಶೋ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 2:30ಕ್ಕೆ.
ಬಿಳುಪು ಮೃದುತ್ವವು ಕೈಜೋಡಿಸುವ ಕ್ಷಣ. ಬೇಸಿಗೆಯೂ ಚಳಿಗಾಲವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ರಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ ವೈಟ್ ಶರ್ಟ್ಸ್.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬೆಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯ. ಸೊ ಹರಿ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ whitegold.money.
Hi, I'm Dr. Madhu, certain physician in Chakshaya Hospital, assistant professor of examination. Anyway, I'm now talking about hypertension. In Kannada, it's called the Rakta. Actually, this hypertension is very common in India. So almost like hypertension and diabetes is the capital of the world is India. So at present, it's not up to only age. It's hypertension affects everyone, from child to elderly also. See, why hypertension will happen? So Rakta it has multifactorial reasons. One among the reasons is lifestyle patterns, due to stress levels and daily our eating habits and not working and not walking, not doing any work, and staying staying and sitting every day, not doing exercises and eating lot of salt and eating junk food, and sometimes hereditary also. And usually in adults, still 35 years or 40 years, it may be because of the other causes. There is secondary causes of hypertension, we call it. Some lifestyle patterns can decrease the hypertension. We can be prevented and we can be treated. Lifestyle with salt restriction. Usually we Indians eat so much of salt. Around, as per average, we will eat around 30 grams of salt per average Indian man or woman. Okay, so it should be less than 5 grams. That means 1 pinch of salt should be used for all the day, and you should drink plenty of water and eat vegetables. If you do lifestyle restrictions and daily walk for 30 minutes and do exercises, definitely it will be controlled. After BP, if your hypertension more than 140, definitely you need medications. Otherwise, it has its own complications. They will end up in strokes, heart attacks, and kidney failure, and bleeding patterns, and eye blindness, hypertension, retinopathy, those things and that. So it's very simple medications, and it's very easy to treat. Lifestyle modifications, tablets, and every month or every once in a week you should monitor. Your BP has to be checked. It should be less than 140, 190. Anyway, I think, but don't get misled. Hypertension will be cured. It won't be cured. So it will be reduced, and treatment must and should, everyone has to take the treatment. So everyone will join together to fight this hypertension and the epidemic or pandemic like diabetes. So all over India knows hypertension and diabetes is very common. It's like a brothers and sisters twins. We need to get it treated. So everyone, I wish World Hypertension Day, and get treated for hypertension. And everyone check your BP regularly once in 6 months. Don't neglect it. Okay? Otherwise, thank you.
Issued in public interest by Unison Pharmaceuticals.
ಈ 2.5 ಕಿಲೋದ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಪೆಟ್ಟು ಬಿದ್ರೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ಇವರು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಾಂಗಡ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಂದ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಬಾಂಗಡ್ ನಿಂದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಗತಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ವೇ, ಅದು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೋಟ್ ನಿಂದ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ವೋಟ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತವರಿಗೆ. ವೋಟ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್, ಬಾಂಗಡ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್.
ಯಾವ ಶೃಂಗಾರನೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರ ಕಾಂತಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೇಗ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಕಣೆ?